Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this really simple and easy table centerpiece. Okay guys, so I have everything lined up here around me. What you're going to need for this is, I have a couple of different dishes. I have this beautiful glass trifle dish I got from Dunn's. Now the thing with this is, you have to get a bit creative because these dishes are used for trifles or fruit bowls, whatever they are. They can be used for more than just that said purpose. Because I like to use them for table centerpieces. I also have this gorgeous white porcelain dish. It has lovely detailing around the outside. It's a bit more vintage looking, just for a different feel when it comes to your table centerpiece, because not everyone likes the clean and modern look. Some people like a bit more rustic and homely. There's a wide variety when it comes to decorating. So I'm going to start off with the clear dish, and I have a little tray here as well, just so I can twist it and everything. If you're wondering where this is from, this is a gorgeous marble, I don't know what it's called, but it's from Dunn's. It's a Lazy Susan, I think. And you just twist it and stuff. It's great. So the first centerpiece I'm going to show you how to do is using these pine cones from Home Store, where they just come in a box like this. I only got one box. You could use two, you could use three. It's all depending on your own taste. Okay, so we've got our pine cones in here. Now, I might add a bit more, but I don't have any more, so I'm just gonna go with it. And I also have these fairy lights from Dunn's as well. They're from Paul Castello. I know you can get these in pennies. They're really affordable, they're not expensive at all. And just the copper wire ones, they're great. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna intertwine this in the pine cones just to kind of add a bit more, flair. Now this is a simple table centerpiece now. Okay guys, so we have our fairy lights in here, and that's just that's literally it. This is just a simple, easy centerpiece that you can put in your home. You can leave on the countertop, you can leave on the table. You can even put it in a wreath if you wanted to. I definitely add more pine cones and just really fill it up, just really give it that wow look. But that's pretty much it. It's really easy. Okay guys, I'm going to show you this same option, but in, oops, I'm stepping off my chair, in the vintage bowl. So I'm going to put my thing in first. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap this underneath, just so it stays. And the copper wire really works really well with this because it keeps it in its shape. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this over to the side here. And instead of just having the acorns, which you can totally do, I'm going to put in some candles. So I'm going to put in maybe 3 different sizes in the middle. And I'm going to wrap the copper wire just around each of them. And also, you don't have to have snowy pine cones. It's completely your own preference. You can have whatever colored pine cones you want. They don't have to be snowy ones. They can just be plain old pine cones. It's for your own preference. Okay guys, and there you have it. That's your more rustic centerpiece, and I love this one. Okay guys, and as well, to be honest, you don't even need the fairy lights because I think it looks just as beautiful without them. The fairy lights are just for an extra additive if you want to, but to be honest, I'd probably keep it without because I like the simplicity of it. It's not too much fuss, it's just there, it's not taking away from the attention from anything else. It's just here, it's a simple one, and I like simple, so I do like this. Okay, so we're going to grab our clear trifle dish again, and this time I have some silver sparkly baubles that we're going to add to it. So it's the same thing as the pine cones. We're just going to add these around the bottom. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention is to actually cut the strings off them, because you don't want them like hanging around the bowl. Like, it just isn't a cute look. So that's like the first centerpiece. That's beautiful on its own. You can just put that. But if I was serious, I might have like a couple of more dishes with like some baubles in it as well, just to, you know, really give it that kind of wow factor. I'm going to mix in some of these smaller silver baubles from Home Store More just into the mix, just to kind of fill up the space and make it a bit more interesting. Okay guys, and just like that, we've added in some smaller baubles, and I was thinking there as well, like this might be an amazing opportunity to add in some extra color as well. If you have like a specific color theme going with your decorations, you could pop in, let's say if it's red or pink or green or orange or yellow, who knows. This would be a good opportunity to add them in and just, you know, just create a well-rounded centerpiece. I love these. I think this is the most simple and easy and basic and just customizable centerpiece you could possibly do. I really do love it. Like, I love it with the smaller baubles. It just adds that extra level of interest, and you know, that's always a good thing, isn't it? And again guys, you can totally add some, you know, fairy lights if you want to, just to kind of add some extra, you know, bling 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 to it. Okay guys, and that's it from me. I really hope you enjoyed and got maybe some inspiration from this to create your own centerpieces. Please let me know your thoughts down below as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, but before I go, also, I'd love to know which one is your favorite. Is it the more rustic one? Is it the more silver sparkly one? I'd love to know. And also, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to notify when I upload. I upload for the month of December, every Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!